My name is Lysa, and I'm from the Washoe County Library System, and this is On the Kids' Shelf. Hazel and Wally Nutt are tired of being small. Do you have any idea how long it takes to grow up? It takes a really, really, really long time. There's just got to be some way to get bigger right now. I know. Have you ever made a snowman? A snowman starts with a small snowball that you roll in the snow, and you keep rolling, until it gets bigger and bigger. But there's only one problem. Hazel and Wally Nutt don't have any snow. Maybe instead of snow, they can use mud. That will definitely make them bigger. Now they're on a roll, but the more they roll, the bigger they get. And the bigger they get, the bigger the trouble they get into. They'll soon learn that to get out of trouble, they'll have to keep rolling. Follow Hazel and Wally Nutt as they roll into mischief and find out if they ever get back home. In the book, The Nuts Keep Rolling by Eric Litwin. All that rolling made me think of a song. Every time I say roll over or rolled over, roll your arms around each other. There were 10 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Now there's 9 in the bed and the little one said, roll over. Keep singing the song until there are no more left in the bed. Parents and caregivers, encourage your child to participate by singing picture books and saying repetitive phrases together. This will help your child hear smaller sounds in words, and it will help build their vocabulary. If you would like more information about supporting early literacy at home, visit our website at washoecountylibrary.us. Happy reading!